This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Olyvia Salyer. Total first floor, maintenance-free living in the condominiums at Williamsburg Commons. New engineered hardwoods and fresh paint throughout. Fantastic floor plan with 2 true master suites separated by open concept living room and kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances and stacked washer and dryer. Get cozy with a wood-burning fireplace and enjoy your privacy with tree-lined views. Less than a mile from Colonial, Williamsburg and William and Mary, minutes to the prime outlets, amazing restaurants, 199 and I-64 and more. For more information, review the details below.